Where are we going? Where are we going?
Taipei.
We're going to Taipei now. I want to blow my nose.
你 blow 咗先咯。
We're flying at 6 o'clock.
6:30.
6:30. I've been up since 7. So I'm pretty tired. I want to get on the plane. I want to sleep. 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 Yo, we are at the airport. It's very hot. What have you bought today? What have you bought?
Mooncake.
Do you want international mooncake smugglers? What happens if I film you filming me? Let's do that. I'll film you, you film me. See her fight and smile. Fight and smile. So close.
Cabin crew, please proceed to landing.
Are you filming? Oh, we're in Taiwan and we're waiting for 10 minutes for the I don't know. Why are we waiting for 10 minutes?
They still have another plane, like
Oh, we're waiting to get
at the
onto
gate.
dock basically, isn't it, right?
Yeah.
So these are our cards, our metro cards.
Where are we going now?
I don't know.
We're going
That's
to
why I just follow you. Don't zoom in your
Taipei.
mouth. Going to Taipei.
We're taking the train to Taipei now.
Oh, to Taipei. Let's
Yeah.
go to Taipei. Taipei.
Please hold on to the handrail, mind the steps, and do not let go of the luggage.
对，现在是什么时间开始上班？10点，到那么晚？8点。
So we're in our hotel room. Whoa, this is spacious. I've just realised how big this place is. We've got a bathtub, got the mats, got the mirror, got 3 bottles of water.
To be honest, it's not
Got a kettle.
spacious, but
But it's more spacious than the one I had in Japan. Oh, and the view. Let's have a look. No view, just look inside the shops instead. Yep.
So it's better than no window then.
There's no window. It's the main station. So that's the Taipei main station. I don't know any towns about it. We just came out from there and we walked down maybe a kilometer. we going today? We're going to Taipei 101.
Yes.
We're going to Taipei 101. We're going to get some coffee. Oh, okay. Do you want to do your introduction again?
Morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. We are finally.
At Taipei 101.
Alright, we're gonna go inside and we're gonna go wait to get inside the tower. We're waiting to go into Simple Cafe. We're going to Simple Cafe. Simple Cafe. Simple Cafe.
Okay.
我爱你有多深，我爱你有几分。
We are going to 60th floor. And then we need to change to 88. Wow.
上船吗？对，我就省得开。像我刚出来。
Hello, Eric.
It's quite a nice view here this morning.
Hours later.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. That's fantastic. I'm made of plastic. You can touch my head and dress me everywhere.
Really? Undress you everywhere?
I can't say that anymore. What's the PC version? Going here. How you feel?
Still a little bit full, to be honest. We're meeting my other friends. Patty today.
Lots of ton. So I'm gonna gamble 82 balls. If we get it, 91, 95, 96, 97. Are we gonna break the machine? It goes 100.
来啊！
OK， 加油！哦，没有了，失败了，失败。哇哦，
我们走
是很多。
走一走，看一看能不能塞得进去。
No。
这个上菜了，明白吗？
几份
2份，自己洗。这个还是烧的烧的。
Where are we now?
9份。
9份 and we're gonna get some
阿兰茶花桂。
阿拉汤跟
茶花桂。
茶拉桂。See how many people are making it.
“那这个它叫水方，可以拿来倒。”
我晚上7点04。
我们7点的比较重视 CP 值，对不对？
对，没错。
不是用这个来推回去，你是几点生的？我会问你一些问题，我一回答就知道你是几点生的。
好，我是7点04。罗颖婷，
贵姓？
罗。对。
玩玩。
我哋而家去寧夏夜市。
寧夏夜市。Here's the zoom. Wow. Can I flip the camera? Where are we going? Got got some tea. Got some tea. Takoyaki. Beef. Fish. Sorry. Milk balls.
我哋行一轉睇有啲咩，再翻轉頭。
Okay. The budget. Oh, 佢攞啲肉嗰啲seeds啊。
那个可以袋装一起放一个。
可以，
可以。
謝謝。
話咩？
我嗰個用膠袋裝晒一齊。OK。
好熱鬧，日情很好。
呢啲衫我中意啊已經。
你中意食呢啲啊？So So we're at Ximen Wall. We are at the 7-Eleven Hello Kitty edition. But she always belonged to someone else. I drove for miles and miles and wound up at your
Emotional, damn it!
About to get some noodles. How do you feel? How do you feel excited about the noodles? Yeah, it's won some awards. What are you gonna get? The beef noodles, me too. So we've got to wait. I'll see you in a bit. Wow.
你们看看要吃什么面的来？
看那个 channel 里面全部都是
So we're back at karaoke and Zoe's picked the last song, which is like 15, 16 songs put into one. So is it finished now? Is it going? Is it still going? This song goes for 10 minutes long.
有，昨天去了9份。对，昨天很那边还好，就是比较高，比较凉一点。对，然后我们也没有就没有走很长时间，就是都在喝茶，在那边那个茶艺馆里面，所以还蛮舒服的。那你有没有去那个淡水啊走一走？没有，还没有。我们这几天都是在见朋友，因为好久没见，就是约朋友。吃个饭啊，聊一下天。
This is the place I went to win a scratch card, and I won some money. But then and as the what did I do? I took my winnings and bought more tickets. Bye, bye bye. Oh.
花园做表演晚上6点半到8点半。当然，大家如果有空，也可以礼拜4晚上到荣兴花园来看我们的表演，好不好？谢谢。好了，那我们开始演奏少数音乐啦。第一首歌叫做。
And I don't know where that is.
Where are we going?
We just jump on the boat. And we don't know where we're going.
Yeah, let's have a look. This is Taipei. We're on the river. Taipei something. We're on a river. We just jumped on a boat. Oh wow! Look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. See if there's any flying fish. Wow, flying fishes. Wow. What's happening? What's happening?
It's my first foot massage experience.
Are you excited?
I am nervous.
A little nervous.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Check in within an hour. See how it goes.
Hope I don't scream.
I think you'll be fine. I think you'll like it.
I think I'll like it, but I'll be like still a little bit nervous. Thank God that I can communicate here.
Yeah.
So I can tell you what I'm like. Please take it easier.
Yeah,
okay?
take it on easier.
In Thailand, I couldn't communicate last time, so
Less.
it was still nice, but
It's painful. Yeah.
it has a little bit.
It was painful a little bit. Okay. Let's check with you in an hour. Getting my foot massage. I'm getting a foot massage too. It's almost 11. So we'll see how it goes. Hamburger for breakfast. This is a 牛排爆炸蛋. Is it right? 牛排堡
牛排堡加蛋。It's like a local, more like a Taiwanese fusion. What inside?
Egg,
Cucumber,
and there's like a
mayonnaise, like sweet mayonnaise.
sauce. And this one is the
蛋饼，
蛋饼.
葱抓蛋饼。
葱抓蛋饼.
Very good, this one.
Got scallions, eggs, and pancake. Local
And
Chinese.
our 豆浆跟咖啡牛奶。More or less like a
milk coffee.
Milk coffee. And my soy milk. So, yeah,
How much was it?
180
Oh, quite cheap.
Chinese dollar. So about
$40-50 each for everything. Hong Kong dollars, like.
yeah.
It's not bad. For £5 you can get this. For 2 people.
Okay. So I'm just gonna stop filming, and I'm gonna eat.
Okay. Where are we now? We're at the Taiwan, I think, Natural History Museum. Look, dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, I'm just not gonna sing the Jurassic theme park, but Jurassic Park song, the Jurassic Park theme. But I'll just add it in post.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
$1,000 scratch card. Let's see if I win. Well, at least got a 500 pack.
You already got a 500 back? Oh my god. Yeah. Do you want me to help?
It's now time to say goodbye to our room.
Not goodbye.
To the room though. What do you say to the room?
See you next time.
See you next time.
Soon.
Breakfast time
In a local.
at a local shop.
They have like all this.
係俾西你
早餐店啊。
早餐嘅 Yummy。
我最中意就係肉鬆蛋飯。
Gonna bring the 4 parts from our brewing method. So the first part is the bloom, we call bloom. We're gonna pour 30 grams in 30 seconds.
It's my cup of coffee.